Hello. I just said hello 3 times to try to get that. Chat will be live. Chat. I'm gonna put up YouTube. I can just make sure. Alright. I'm just gonna quickly create said project. What do I call this one? So it's just going to be called this. I'm just getting something ready. What was that noise? Okay. Universal 3D. Oh, that's all I wanted to do. Okay. While I'm waiting on this, I'll just quickly pull up the stream again. Jumpy because I need to add some tags. Because for some reason not Unity, for some reason the OBS, when I'm making it, it won't let me use tags, which is very annoying. Edit video. Okay, Unity's loaded, but it's loaded from my already made projects, which is not what I wanted. Okay, now that's creating. So, age restriction, tags, there we go. YouTube. What other tags? Unity game making, creating, coding. maybe I'll put education. Educational. How do you spell educational? Educational. Good enough. Good enough. I'm never gonna. Okay. That should work. Gaming. No, it's not gaming. What would this be? What type of video would it be? Can't scroll up and down. Comedy, education, entertainment, film, animation, gaming, music, news and politics. It's definitely not news and politics. Theater, blogs, pets and animals, science and technology, sport, travel and events. None of these. I'll just go for gaming. Good enough. Okay, let's save this. And we can go back to the stream. Did it work? Didn't know if it worked. Now it says one person's watching, which is me. Yay. Let's get Unity showing. Okay. First thing I've got to do is actually make a little character. Then code its movement and all of that. But then I'd need a level to use. But for now, all it is movement. All I need is movement. Well, first I need ground as well, but that's not too hard to do. How to do it? Oh, that's wrong. And the stream isn't live on my YouTube. It's not on the live, but it's still on background. Good enough. Yeah, that'll work. Then let's make the character. 3 capsule. This is the character. Movement. I forget how to do movement. How do I do movement? Oh no. How am I gonna do movement? Movement. I'll just open the code and make it somehow. Even if I don't know how, I'll try. start with a capital M for and then create and add. I'm gonna switch the account that the YouTube's on to my account. Your channel. Games Unity. Alright. So now we're gonna need to figure out how this works. Or this will work. Because I know I'm good at this. Wait up then. If oh look, it's already done it for me. W if it's W then now how am I gonna make forward? Transform dot position equals forward. Transform the position dot forward. I'll be honest, I don't know how to code this. Alright, transform hold this still. I don't need that at the end. Lerp forward vectors 3 dot forward. Vector 3 dot forward. Would that work? Like if I press W, will I move forward now? Box collector is not. I've done negative. Don't. Just remove the negative. Oh, and all these numbers. I want to remove those too, because those could get glitchy. Just delete the numbers in front. Yeah, so it looks like that. I'm gonna redo that because I forgot to cast the thing first. Right. How am I gonna know I'm moving? Okay, now I need to make a material. Or I could use one of these materials. Kinda depends what they are. No, I can't use these to know if I'm moving. Okay. Let's just make more cubes. Oh, I'll do that. Cube. Here's cube. Cube. My goal is to move towards said cube. Right? Move towards cube. Now, where's camera? Ooh. Hey, something happened. Because position went straight to 0. So when I press play or W, it goes to 0. So when I press W, it goes straight to 0. Alright. Transform position. Oh, no. Go back. Plus equals forward. We don't want equals that. Plus equals. Forward. Vector 3 go forward. Wait. Would that actually work or not? Because I've just realized something that might be wrong. It might still do the exact same thing though, as well. Look at that! Look at that, that works! Yay! Okay, that's good. I have to go forward now. Get key down is wrong now, get key. 0, wait. Plus vector 3, just 3 vectors. And then it'll just go forward depending on which way I'm looking. And then turning. How would turning work then? Okay. Let's see how turning works. Look, I'm going way too fast. Now we just make our own vector 3. Vector 3 dot 0 1. So why does this not work? I don't know how to make forward and backward work. So, how am I gonna get it to work? How am I gonna force it to work? Okay, join code from my other game, but I wanna learn how to do this. Transform dot push dot forward. Transform dot forward. Transform dot forward. That's it. Opposite. Forward plus equals. I need these 0 1. As soon as I put that 1 in, it didn't work. 0 Do any one of those? Transform that forward. Vector 3. Dot let's try that. How would that work? Would that do the same thing, or would it do absolutely nothing? It does absolutely nothing. Alright. What do I do? How do I make it move forward? I spent half an hour trying to figure out how to make my player move forward. And, technically not cheating if I use something from the marketplace. But I wanna get it myself. How do I add a force? If I add a force forwards, then force mode dot m force plus equals 1 vec no equals vector 3 dots forward. Right. That doesn't work. Transform dot position plus equals. I can get it to work. How do I get this to work? That doesn't work because force mode doesn't work like that. Force how do I add a force mode dot impulse equals 0, 0, 1. That doesn't work either. Why? Why does it choose not to work? Like, I don't know. How do I make it move forward? I don't know how. Like, I do coding classes every week. Every single week. I do a class for coding. But said coding class seems to have not done enough with the force mode impulse. Because I don't know how to use it. How do I use it? You know what? I could just open Unity Hub. Open one of my other projects. Yeah, that sounds like a nice idea. Yeah, and this is called blah blah blah. This project's called blah blah blah. I'm gonna move this over here just in case you see something you shouldn't. Okay, here you go. This is one of my other projects. I was sort of still working on it, sort of. But I have a good little game. You went between two dimensions. You'd go between 2 dimensions, 3D and 2D, but its movement is nice and smooth for 2D and 3D. There you go, 2D go here, and the red ones mean you have to be in 2D for it to work. You can kind of just jump through this tree. These are bullets. You can be in 3D for the blue. You can just go past the bullets. There's coins, there's all this, but there's also a button. But yeah. I don't know. Well, I do know how to take code from it. I'm just gonna play the game for a second because it's a good little game. I like the game. Okay, ready. That's a monster. If you jump outside, then you bounce. That's how you're supposed to get over that. And there's this big boulder you're supposed to push up this hill. Yay, right to the end. It's a good little game. I like it. But it's basically just level design now. There are no new features to add and all that, so let's steal some stuff. Alright, give me a bit.